Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about this bottle jack and the Cybertruck. This is the 6-ton bottle jack that I've been carrying with me for the past year in case I need to replace a tire. Not knowing what I learned a couple of weeks ago, that this bottle jack does not extend long enough to lift the wheels from the ground. The suspension of the Cybertruck travels over a foot, so you need a jack that actually extends beyond that. This particular bottle jack here, I can extend it more, but even at full extension, it's just not long enough. So I want to show you my solution for this on this video, and I think you're gonna like it. So let's get right to it. Let me show you this. This is Cybertruck spare tire toolkit. Usually this kit is included with the spare kit that Tesla sells online, but that means that you pay over $1,200, and it's not just the stuff that's in here, it's also an additional wheel with a tire, the TPMS sensor, and balanced, right? So I was able to secure this. I called Tesla and I gave them the part number that I found. That was the part number of the toolkit, hoping that they could sell me just the jack. To my surprise, the part number that I had, the one that I found, was actually for this, not including the wheel and the tire. So I was in luck. After talking to Tesla, they said that they could sell just the toolkit, so you don't really need to buy a spare tire with a new wheel. You can just get the kit. Now, what is the main difference between this and getting this, the 6-ton bottle jack that I have? Well, the bottle jack that I have, I think was like $40. And this guy is $500 with Tesla directly. However, it's not just the fact that there's a bottle jack in here. There's more than that. Maybe it's a little bit price high, but remember, this is Tesla parts, Tesla owned specifications to meet the requirements of the Cybertruck. So I am very comfortable with using this under my truck if I need to replace a tire. So I'm going to show you what's included on this kit, so you can see the difference between having just this 6-ton bottle jack that doesn't extend long enough. When you look at it and you compare, you're gonna see what I mean. The kit includes a 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack to lift the Cybertruck during tire changes or rotations, a telescoping lug nut tool to remove and manage your lug nuts, a vinyl cover for your full-size spare, gloves, 2 D-rings for securing the spare tire in the truck bed, and a center cap removal tool for accessing wheel components. Remember, this kit does not include the spare wheel and tire, but it will fit inside your 20-inch Cybertruck spare on the bed. The kit that is included, it's a very well-built storage container for this, and inside of this thing that goes inside the spare tire, it has the wrench to remove the lug nuts, along with the socket that is here, which is a 21mm. This breaker bar is what you will use to loosen the lug nuts, and it's telescopic, so it can give you more leverage like that. All right, so we have that as part of the kit, and the real star of the show, this is the bottle jack that Tesla includes with their kit. And I'm gonna put it right next to the other one that I had, and you can see the difference between those two, right? So, different to the little one that you see here, the base is much wider and it's rubberized as well. So that means very little chance for slippage. This one extends by spinning it counterclockwise. This one doesn't extend like this. It has everything that it needs. The telescopic bottle jack extension just grows from inside and is able to lift the Cybertruck on its own. This kit is a bit pricey at $500, but it meets all the requirements to safely raise your Cybertruck to replace a tire or make tire rotations. With over a foot of suspension travel, you need the right tool for the job, and this one takes very little room for storage while you travel. If you want to order the Cybertruck spare tire tool kit, reach out to your local service center and give them the part number on the screen. I asked Tesla if it can be ordered online, but at the moment it can only be ordered through a service request using the Tesla app or over the counter at your local service center. I hope you liked this short video. Don't forget to like and subscribe with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of my future videos. See you in the next one. Ciao.